Hi guys, today we're going to be making some delicious Sonoran dogs. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So we're going to begin by making our jalapeno salsa. So we're going to grab our pan, we're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to add oil. And we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once the oil heats up, we're going to add 3 tomatillos. And I just cut them in half. Along with our jalapenos, I'm adding 3. A small piece of onion. And 1 garlic clove. And we're just going to fry everything. Okay, so after 4 minutes, this is what our jalapenos, onion, and tomatillos are looking like. So at this point, we're going to transfer everything to our blender cup. To our blender cup, we're also going to add a handful of cilantro, salt, and a little bit of water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, so once we have our salsa, taste it for salt and set it to the side. Okay, so I'm going to be reheating my frijoles de la olla. In the same pan, I'm going to set it on medium-low heat. I'm going to add 1 jalapeno and a small piece of onion. I'm just going to cook them for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, I'm going to add 4 cups of beans. I'm just going to bring them to a simmer. Okay, so once our beans comes to a full simmer, we can set them to the side and now we can make our hot dogs. Okay, so now we're just going to grab our hot dog and we're going to wrap it in bacon. So just make sure that you tuck it so like that it doesn't unroll when we cook them. Okay, so at the end, tuck it in. Okay, and just repeat the same process to all of your hot dogs. So next we're going to grab our pan. We're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to allow it to heat up. And once our pan is hot, we're going to place our hot dogs and we're going to allow them to cook. Okay, so after a few minutes, we're going to flip our hot dogs over. And we're going to add some yellow jalapenos and just allow them to cook in the bacon's grease along with some onion. And just allow the onions and the jalapenos to get nice and soft. Okay, so once our hot dogs are cooked to our liking, we're going to remove them from the heat. I like mine extra crispy. And we're also going to remove the onions. As well as for the jalapenos. And now we can get ready to make our delicious hot dogs. Okay, we can also get our bolillos ready. Of course, you can do this step while you're waiting for your hot dogs. But these are my bolillos, and I'm just going to butter them. Okay, so once we have warmed up our bolillos, now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our hot dogs together. So I'm going to grab my bolillo, and I'm going to open it from the top. Just light it open. Okay, move it to the side. Of course, if you like mayo, go ahead and add mayo. I'm going to add sour cream. Going to add my hot dog. And then we're going to top it with our beans. And of course, you add as much as you want. So we're going to add our grilled onions. And because I love onion, we're going to add raw onions. And some tomatoes. We're going to top it with our delicious jalapeno salsa. I'm going to add sour cream. And mustard. And of course, if you don't like mustard, then don't add it. And let's not forget our jalapeno. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Sonoran hot dog. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love these hot dogs. I think anything with, all of the toppings, it's just a delicious hot dog. Of course, just keep in mind, this is how they sell them here in Arizona. So everybody has their own ways, but I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best part is that it's homemade. So good. It's just so perfect and so messy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious Sonoran dogs. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.